Welcome to another exciting journey. Today, we are diving deep into the heart of Serbia, a country of breathtaking landscapes, rich history, and deep-rooted traditions. But this isn't just any travel video. We're uncovering the most fascinating, mysterious, and romantic sides of Serbia. From hidden villages to ancient fortresses, from legendary love stories to dreamy landscapes, Serbia has it all. Stick around because you're about to discover a side of Serbia you've never seen before. Did you know that Serbia is one of the most underrated travel destinations in Europe? Despite its beauty, many people still don't realize just how magical this country truly is. Imagine waking up to the sound of birds, misty mountains stretching before your eyes, and a river so blue that it looks like a painting. That's Stara National Park, home to the famous Drina River Canyon. This place is perfect for nature lovers, adventurers, and couples looking for a romantic getaway. Serbia has its own version of the Grand Canyon, only with a twist. The Uvac River meanders form a heart-shaped curve in the landscape, making it one of the most romantic natural wonders in Europe. Watching white griffon vultures soar above while cruising on a boat through these magical waters is an experience you'll never forget. What if I told you that Serbia has a place so unique? It was almost named one of the new 7 wonders of the world. Welcome to Devil's Town, a bizarre yet stunning landscape of over 200 stone pillars, shaped by wind and rain over thousands of years. Local legends say these stone formations are actually petrified wedding guests, cursed for their forbidden love. Serbia's castles and fortresses are not just historical landmarks, they are places where love stories, battles, and legends were born. Standing tall on the banks of the mighty Danube River, Golubac Fortress looks like something out of a fairy tale. It has witnessed centuries of wars, kings, and knights, but what makes it truly special are the hidden love stories within its walls. According to legend, a Serbian princess was imprisoned in one of its towers because she refused to marry a foreign ruler. She spent her days singing songs of love and longing, and her voice is said to still echo through the fortress at night. In the heart of Novi Sad, Petrovaradin Fortress is not just a military stronghold, it's a symbol of love. There's a special place here called the Lover's Staircase, where couples carve their names into the walls, believing it will make their love last forever. But the real magic happens at night when the city lights reflect on the Danube, turning this fortress into one of the most romantic places in Serbia. Imagine a tiny wooden house, sitting alone on a rock in the middle of a beautiful river. That's the famous Drina River House. Built by a group of friends in the 1960s, this house has become a symbol of love, solitude, and romantic escapes. It's the perfect place to enjoy the sound of rushing water and unforgettable sunsets. What's more romantic than sailing down the Danube River as the sun sets, painting the sky with shades of gold and purple? Whether you're in Belgrade or Novi Sad, a Danube boat ride is the perfect way to spend a magical evening with someone special. Manasija Monastery is not just a historical site. It holds a tragic love story. According to legend, a Serbian princess fell in love with a warrior, but their love was forbidden. She waited for him at the monastery, but he never returned from battle. To this day, people say you can feel the sadness in the air when visiting Manasija. Some even believe that if you make a wish for true love here, it will come true. If love goes through the stomach, then Serbia is one of the most romantic places in the world. Serbia is home to some of the oldest winemaking traditions in Europe. From the vineyards of Fruška Gora to the rolling hills of Negotin, Serbian wine is rich, deep, and full of flavor, just like Serbian culture itself. And what's a perfect date without a glass of fine wine? No trip to Serbia is complete without trying cevapi, delicious grilled meat sausages served with warm bread and fresh onions. It's the perfect meal to enjoy with friends, family, or a romantic dinner under the stars. Belgrade is not just the capital of Serbia, it's the city of love, music, and unforgettable nights. Step into Skadarlija, Belgrade's famous bohemian quarter, and you'll feel like you've traveled back in time. Cobblestone streets, old lanterns, and musicians playing romantic Serbian songs create an atmosphere like no other. It's the perfect place for a romantic dinner or a late night walk hand in hand. Belgrade is known as the city that never sleeps. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more amazing travel content. Serbia is full of surprises, and we've only just begun exploring its magic. See you in the next adventure.